Hi guys, and welcome back to today's video. So I am back from a break. We just went to Civil War 2017 Volume 2, held at TRIPWIRES, which is a Danish military training facility, one of the largest ones, so it's a really cool AO to play at. We are running around there, and let's just get into the video and see what's going on there. We do by now have an idea that we have some enemy troopers on the other side of these containers, so we'll try to engage on them and see if we can take them down. And at this event I am rocking the HK416 model from Tokyo Marui. It's the recoil shock version. You've never seen it on this channel before, maybe you've seen it on my Instagram. So, but yeah, it's a pretty cool gun and you'll see some action soon.
Sorry.
Unfortunately, I hit one of those guys before I saw his dead rag, but the gun is just not shooting that hard, so I just apologized and moved on.
Jeg har det. Han er lige derinde. Ja, har det. Jeg tager Simon. Vi skal bare lige have ham herom bagved. Nej, jeg tager ham. Rejs nu. Nej, kom med her.
So Simon is medic back up, and now we need to advance to push on to the enemy forces.
Okay.
There's a ditch to our right, so we move there to stay on scene while we are moving up on the enemy. We have some teammates who are down, so we are trying to flank around while we still have some teammates in on the field, trying to revive those guys.
Bag bakken der. Han løber. Leder.
They're too far away, so we have to move up through the ditch to get closer on the enemies. We'll try to make a move for the containers.
Hey, Patrolsen! Patrolsen! Ned! 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 Jeg fik ham der! En længere bagud! Fyr røg!
I'm too far away to get the next guy, so I yelled to my teammate Simon that he can get him from his position.
Men pas på dig selv! Ja, du fik ham!
Though while Simon got him, he got shot himself, so now we need to get to him. Therefore I go get a Mark V Thunder Flash from my teammate Olsen, so I can move up and throw that while I recover Simon.
Kom med, kom med.
Kørt.
Super. Ja. Ole, kan du ikke tage Simon i hånden, så dækker jeg. Så trækker han bagud langs posten.
Simon is the only one in this team here who's a medic, so we have to pull him back to find someone else who can medic him back up. So we have to pull him over this field to get to some other team medics.
Super.
We still have enemy soldiers close by, so we need to pay attention and try to see if we can take them down.
Hello, hello.
So we already have some teammates charging this last guy, so we'll just try to find another way around to the city and go from there.
Ja.
So from now on we'll just be running around clearing houses and checking for enemies.
Nej, men ikke så meget. Det var for vores meget.
Hvor gik Simon og Søby hen?
I'm not saying that Olsen just put his hand on a tripwire, but Olsen just put his hand on a tripwire. So guys, that was about it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do remember to hit that thumbs up button. Also comment if you have any questions about the video or anything else, or just tell me what you liked or didn't like about this video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this type of content for the next few weeks. I had some malfunctions with my GoPro, so I don't have that much content from this event, sadly, but I hope that it is fixed by now. Other than that, check out my Instagram profile, Fernhill_Milsim. So, yeah, that's about it. See ya, guys.